Hello, everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check if a phone number is real or fake using a simple app called Truecaller. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Download the Truecaller app on your phone. You can find it on the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on your device. Step 2. Open the app and sign up with your phone number. You will need to verify your number with a code that will be sent to you via SMS. You will also need to grant some permissions to the app, such as access to your contacts, phone, and storage. Step 3. Copy the number from your phone app and search for it on Truecaller. You can either paste the number on the search bar at the top of the app or tap on the call history icon and select the number you want to check. Truecaller will then show you the name of the caller, if available, and other information, such as the type of number, the country, and the network. If the number is marked as spam, you will see a red icon with a warning sign and a label, such as telemarketing, scam, or fraud. You can also see how many users have reported the number as spam and the reason for the report. You can also block the number or report it yourself if you want to help other users. If the number is not marked as spam, but you still have doubts about its authenticity, you can look for other clues. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.